Let's assume this is a coffee. Much better. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, but we're just gonna do a get ready with me chit chat video, and I'm also gonna be answering your questions. I did like a questionnaire on IG and you guys sent me a ton of questions, so I'm gonna answer them while I get ready for the day. I'm gonna link all the products I use down in the description below if you guys want to purchase anything, but we're gonna first do some sunscreen today because it's gonna be around 70 degrees today. And the first question I got is, what's your favorite color? I would have to say blue or like navy blue. Also, I love pink and I love like a green color, but I have to say my favorite color is like a navy blue or a light blue. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait till summer, so I'm not pale. But now I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer and the Drunk Elephant Golden Drop. My next question is, have you lived in PA your whole life? Yep, I live down in the boonies. Lived down here in the boonies my whole life. Born and raised in PA. Literally grew up 100 feet away from where I live now. Lived near the Appalachian Mountains, surrounded by farm fields. I love PA. I've always loved it. I love the community. And it's kind of cool that you just know everyone that lives here. It is a pain to like drive to places, fly to places. You just know living out here, it's gonna be a commute anywhere you need to go. But I love living here and I wouldn't want to change anything about it except for the Appalachian monsters. Pause. Y'all, I'm just kidding. I never encountered a Appalachian monster. Now we need to conceal. I am so tired. I literally don't get enough sleep. I literally stream at night and then I don't go to bed until 2 a.m, which is not really good. But you know what? It's worth it. This one's not a question, but someone said, could you please link the sweat set that I had on my IG story when doing this like question and answer poll? And I'll link it down below. It is from White Fox Boutique and I think it's such a cute set. Obviously, I love wearing navy blue. Someone asked, what type of work do I do outside of streaming? So I worked for my family business many years and we're actually opening a second location. Sorry y'all, I had to change my SD card. Literally was doing it like this. I'm gonna be the store manager for our family's business second location, and I'm also their social media manager, so I handle all their social media pages and I'm designing their website. So I'm really excited about my new job opportunity. I won't get into specifics of what it's called, but yeah, I'm just the store manager for my family's business and social media manager. We needed this bronze because I am so pale. Literally cannot wait for summer. Now it's time for some blush. I love the Benetint blush. Someone asked, how was my middle school experience? I would have to say it was a lot of fun. Not really bad memories. I just remember getting braces, getting zits, you know, the whole shebang. But I had a lot of fun. I had really good memories in school, a lot of great friends, and I would say my middle school experience was pretty positive. My next question is, what do you do for fun when you're not streaming? You guys know I love making content and posting, so I can't really say that because that's a big hobby of mine, but I would have to say probably going on walks with my dogs, going walks with my friends, my sister, hanging by the pool, tanning, going shopping of course, and you know me, I love food. So getting food, eating it in the car, like watching a YouTube video, that's just literally something I love to do. I do want to get into more hobbies though. I know that's not a lot, but if I miss any, I'll put it on the screen here. Let me know down in the comments below what kind of hobbies you guys are interested in. Someone asked what got me into streaming. Honestly, I loved Fortnite and I just saw that people were streaming it and having so much fun building communities, and that's what I really wanted to do also. I don't really have a big friend group or a girls group, so I always thought like, oh, streaming would bring a lot of us together, a community together. So that's why I essentially started streaming. I love playing Fortnite, so I was just like, I could stream, make friends, and play Fortnite. What? I don't know, I just saw a lot on TikTok and I would watch streamers and I'd be like, that looks like a lot of fun. I should try to do that. This question is, what got me into Fortnite? I think I literally, when it first came out that you can play Fortnite on your phone, I was like, yes, like I was hooked. Everyone was playing it. I think I was in high school. I literally didn't know what I was doing. I like made an account on my phone in like 2017, 2016, I'm not really sure. And I just started playing on my phone and it was so much fun, and then didn't really have a console. I didn't really have an Xbox or a PlayStation, but then I did get a Nintendo Switch and I was like, I didn't know you can get Fortnite on Nintendo Switch. So I downloaded it and then I just was instantly hooked. Obviously, the frame rates are so bad on Nintendo Switch, so I wasn't the greatest until I upgraded to a PC. And then that's when I started streaming. And I actually started playing Fortnite when the OG season came out in, I think, 2023. Honestly, I'm so glad I did because I had so much fun. So if you guys want to support me in the Fortnite item shop, just use my code ammschaeffer in the item shop and just support me. Let me know down in the comments below what you get in the item shop with that code. I really do appreciate you guys supporting me with that. Don't know how I didn't apply this before. My lips are so chapped. Much better. My next question is, how do you connect a controller to PC? I think it's a USB cable, so I just plug it into my Xbox controller and then plug it into my PC. You can probably YouTube it or something, but that's how I do it personally. And then someone asked how I get the split screen. I'm guessing they're asking about when I stream on TikTok. So you can essentially just link your camera to TikTok, and then when you link the camera, you usually put at the top there where your face is, and then down below, and then you put Fortnite. So I just use display capture, and I just essentially, you can probably YouTube that. I'm probably not really explaining it well, but you can just link your camera and your display capture and then have a split screen like that. I'm only scared using these eyelash curlers. I don't want my eyelashes to fall off. Someone asked what my favorite show is. It used to be like Grey's Anatomy, Vampire Diaries, but I don't know. Now I can't even say what my favorite TV show is. I usually watch YouTube. I would probably say my favorite show is Friends if I had to pick one. I love Friends, and whenever it's on, I'll watch it. Y'all, my SD card is out to get me. We're gonna curl this one. Someone asked what's the top of my bucket list. I don't really have one, honestly. I would love to travel around the world, travel around the US, just see cool things. I don't really have anything on my bucket list. If I think of anything, I will put it on the screen right here, but right now, not really a daredevil. Okay, so that eye is good. And my last question is, when did you decide content creation and why? I wanted to be a content creator since I was in middle school, high school. I just love taking photos. Literally would take photos and videos with my mom's iPad. I also had a little camera that I would just take pictures anywhere I went. Probably middle school, high school, I just wanted to do content creation. Probably high school, because middle school it just started, you know, social media just started in middle school. So high school is where I really wanted to pursue it, but I didn't really start taking it consistently until maybe I was in college. I actually made a lot of YouTube videos when I was in college, so you guys can go check that out if you guys want to. Beware, it might be a little cringy. But for content creation and streaming, I started doing it consistently a little bit of last year, but I want to say I really took it seriously this January. Started really posting a lot last September, and now I'm just really growing my audience, and I love it, and I've dreamed about this since high school. And why I've really wanted to do it is because I just love taking photos and videos and being creative and just building a community. I think that's really cool to have a lot of friends online that support you, and I think it's just crazy that I can work with brands, I can interact with you guys, and it's a lot of fun. It's not about the money at the end of the day for me. It's literally just a hobby, and I just love it so much, and I hope you guys can see my love into it. But that is it for my Get Ready With Me and Q&A. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to do. If it's Fortnite related, streaming related, or just content creation related, or just me related. Please subscribe, like, and comment on this video, y'all. Please, let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I don't want to eat a pickle, but I think I might have to. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next Monday with a new video. Bye, guys.